you can just go to the Opportunities tab here, go to Create New View, and we're going to call this one whatever you want to call it, your school name. Let's just call it CJ Fall 2013. And you need opportunity record type equals MHAG. That way you can do inline editing on it. And we want the year equals 2013. We want the term to be fall. And then account name, you can have it to be equals if you want to type it all the way out, or you can have it to be contains if it's a campus that only has like that's the only name in there. So if you want to say contains, say Penn, for example, for Penn State, rather than having to type out the whole name as it exists exactly in Salesforce. Does that make sense? So for me, I'm going to put contains Deerwood because I only have one campus that contains the name Deerwood. So in other words, if you have multiple campuses with that in there, you will either need to find another unique name here or type the whole thing in. And then you just need to select what fields you want to display. For me, typically, let's see, why don't we go to one of my, so once you get that stuff in there, you just need to put whatever field you want to include. So I'm going to go over to one of my current views. And once that pulls up, we are going to edit so we can see what ones I typically include in here. And these are the fields that you want to include. So school course code, MHE course, opportunity name, etc., etc., etc. Those are ones that are included here. And then once you have that done for that particular view, you save it. And then when you get ready to do your next one, just go in and edit, and all you have to do is change the name here and make sure you click Save As so that you can change the name on it. The other thing I'll do many times is put the term revenue or total revenue, but for me I usually do term revenue. So I'll have a view for each campus. I'll have a view that's all the opportunities, and then for my bigger schools, term revenue is greater than or equal to $7,500. And then save as for that as well. So I have two views for each campus, one with all my ops, one with just the dollar amount where it is. Does that make sense? And again, you can just pause this little recording right here if you want to, so that you can get all of your selected fields. But again, once you do it one time, all you have to do is go in and edit this, and you should be good to go.